Good day. Today we will speak about research. What is research? Research is defined as a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or a problem using scientific methods. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Bobby, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomena. Research involves inductive and deductive methods. Inductive research methods are used to analyze the observed phenomena, whereas deductive methods are used to verify the observed phenomena. Inductive approaches are associated with a qualitative research, and deductive methods are more commonly associated with quantitative research. One of the most important aspects of research is the statistic associated with it. Conclusion or result. It is about the thought that goes behind the research. Research is conducted with a purpose to understand. What do organizations or businesses really want to find out? What are the processes that need to be followed to achieve the idea? What are the arguments that need to be built around a concept? What is the evidence that will be required that people believe in the idea or concept? Characteristics of research. A systematic approach is followed in research. Rules and procedures are an integral part of research that set the objective or research process. Researchers need to practice ethics and code of conduct while making observations or drawing conclusions. Research is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. The data of knowledge that is derived is in real time, actual observations in the natural settings. There is an in-depth analysis of all the data collected from research so that there are no anomalies associated with it. Research creates a path for generating new questions. More research opportunity can be generated from existing research. Research is analytical in nature. It makes use of all the available data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. Accuracy is one of the most important characters of research. The information that obtained while conducting the research should be accurate and true to its nature. For example, research conducted in a controlled environment like a laboratory. Here, accuracy is measured of instruments used, calibrations, and the final results of the experiment. What are the types of research? Following are the types of research methods. Basic research is mostly conducted to enhance knowledge. It covers fundamental aspects of research. The main motivation of this research is knowledge expansion. It is a non-commercial research and doesn't facilitate in creating or inventing anything. For example, an experiment is a good example of basic research. Applied research focuses on analyzing and solving real-life problems. This type of research refers to the study that helps solve practical problems using scientific methods. This research plays an important role in solving issues that impact the overall well-being of humans. For example, finding a specific cure for a disease. Problem-oriented research, as the name suggests, problem-oriented research is conducted to understand the exact nature of the problem, to find out relevant solutions. The term problem refers to having issues or to thoughts while making any decisions. For example, revenue of a car company has decreased by 12% in the last year. The following could be the probable causes. There is no optimum production, poor quality of product, nor advertising, economic conditions, etc. Problem-solving research. This type of research is conducted by companies to understand and resolve their own problems. The problem-solving research uses applied research to find solutions to existing problems. Qualitative research. Qualitative research, a process that is about inquiry that helps in-depth understanding of the problems or issues in their natural settings. This is a non-statistical research method. Qualitative research is heavily dependent on the experience of the researchers and the questions used to probe the sample. The sample size is task usually restricted to 6 to 10 people in a sample. Open-ended questionnaire asked in a manner that one question leads to another. The purpose of asking open-ended questions is to gather as much information as possible from the sample. Following are the methods used for qualitative research: one-to-one interview, focus group, ethnographic research, content or text analysis, case study research. Quantitative research. Qualitative research is a structured way of collecting data and analyzing it to draw conclusions. Unlike qualitative research, this research method uses a computational, statistical, and similar method to collect and analyze data. Quantitative data is all about numbers. Quantitative research involves a larger population as more number of people, means more data. In this manner, more data can be analyzed to obtain accurate results. This type of research method uses closed-ended questions because in quantitative research, the researchers are typically looking at measuring the extent and gathering foolproof statistical data. Online surveys, questionnaires, and polls are preferable data collection tools used in quantitative research. There are various methods of deploying surveys or questionnaires. In recent times, online surveys and questionnaires have gained popularity. Survey respondents can receive these surveys on mobile phones, emails, or can simply use the internet to access surveys or questionnaires.